In this video, I will show you how to order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app with your ALIPAY app without any stress. Let me show you how. For some people that does not know much about ALIPAY, ALIPAY is a means of payment to any Chinese supplier that accepts ALIPAY, whether online or offline, as the case may be. And to have an ALIPAY app, it is not really difficult. Whether you are in China or you are outside China, you can have ALIPAY account, provided that you have your international passport. If you are using iPhone, you go to your app store and search for ALIPAY. If you are using iPhone, if you are using Android, go to Play Store and search for ALIPAY. After a successful download and install the ALIPAY, register with your detail and verify your account. Then you can start using it for payment of goods and services in any Chinese apps, just like what we want to use it to do in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So have you opened up Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app? Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and search for products from different store right here. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products from different supplier in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for. You are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on here. This allows you to check by different category. After you are able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add a product to cart. I've already had all the product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. This allows me to go to my profile right here. Then from here, this is where we are going to proceed to purchase of the product. So first thing first, I'm going to change the address for this order. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. This allows me to locate all my address. So I'm going to change the address right here to another address. So I'm going to use this particular address for this order right here. So I'm going to use this address just like so. And I'll simply click on here to go back. Next thing we want to do right here now is to go ahead and click on here to fill all the products from my cart. Just like so. This is the product right here that I want to purchase. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyou, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your ALIPAY account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on here. Then click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like what you see. So just like what you see right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select my means of payment. I'm using my ALIPAY right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. So allow the ALIPAY to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done successful. I'm going to go ahead and click on done right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we pay for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here you go. You have the first one here, the second one right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.